The topic of today's machine learning exercise is to present the use of AI and machine learning to augment the training of dyslexic or special needs tour operators. First, we do a task analysis of our application and who is the user of our system and what task is the system intended to complete. Our AI algorithm based system is useful to augment the training of dyslexic or special need tour operators and similar travelers. The application is useful to summarize the history, culture, and geography articles for training needs of special needs tour operators. The user of our system are the trainers, tour operators, and special need travelers. The algorithm is meant to augment the user in the day-to-day task and summarize large volume of text of information that they use and narrate to travelers and special need travelers. The user interface of the system is used by a trainer who trains these special need tour operators, and he or she has access to a login and password. After the system input is provided in the online system and the AI algorithm is executed, an output is generated which is a summarized text from a large volume of text information on online web pages. All the tutorials and instructions are provided in the user homepage and it is accessible to all the trainers. The triggers in this exercise are quarterly updates from the Department of Tourism and handling of periodic data collection and survey based exercise from the travelers from different demographics. In terms of the user experience improvement and the simplicity of our system is adaptive, improves efficacy and accuracy, resulting in personalized engagement and improved efficiency. There is an improved motivation and productivity on the part of the trainer, and there is an improved customer feedback. Based on the data collection, analysis, and feedback, we can use some learning and predictive analytics in the future, and we can also use LSTM neural networks and more complex algorithms for better text summarization in the future. In terms of the usability and transparency and the user design, we collect our data from the customers from the forms and we use their consent before doing that. The data is uploaded online and aggregated together, resulting in the survey results. The customer feedback ratings and product user ratings are our regular ratings, which is useful for finding our performance. In terms of the action, the online system is useful for disabled tour operators and travelers and is used directly by the trainers. Our AI product is GDPR compliant and we are giving full access to all our customers and all our trainers of the customized algorithm that we are using to summarize our data. Our input data could be any Wikipedia links provided by the user or trainer, since Wikipedia has extensive references and is reliable. How we are able to reach our output? We use extractive properties of AI algorithm to produce an output. Our advantages of our AI product far supersede the limitations. Some of the limitations are the usual heuristic based AI algorithm limitations of overfitting and underfitting, and our AI model can sometimes skip some crucial information. In terms of the advantages, we are including disabled people for their disability rights and providing them equal opportunity, and they are able to absorb a plethora of information based on a summary of text that is provided to them. In terms of the privacy, the surveys are done with the help of our customers who are travelers, hence their privacy should be preserved. The data privacy around the disability and medical records of the disabled is of primary consideration. Section 504 and Section 947 around the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 and Public Health Service prevent any disability against otherwise qualified individuals based on their disability. The sources of bias in our algorithm are based on gender, ethnicity, and country of origin, which are inherent in most of our AI algorithms. But our AI product scores highly on fairness, accountability, and transparency standard because we are able to accommodate disabled people into the mainstream environment without the loss of productivity and efficiency. And we are completely accountable towards our equal opportunity policy in line with our better results and acceptance of the people along with transparent communication. Finally, we are presenting our AI model, which has a model output and model input. And there is an AI algorithm which is based on Natural Language AI Toolkit, NLKT. We are using functions such as word tokenize, stop words, porter stammer for pre-processing of our large chunk of data from the URL, breaking them down into words and sentences and removing unnecessary information, and then finally presenting our output summary in a summarized data, which is approximately 5% of our input data. Thank you.